The rain has stopped and the world is quiet. Drops still linger on the leaves, teeny crystals of light clinging gently to life. The air is cool, soft, still, and everything smells like peace. Petrichor, that earthy perfume that only the sky and the soil know how to make. It rises from the ground like a secret shared. The clouds drift slowly now, like they are tired from weeping. Every puddle reflects the sky, a little mirror of the world, quite calm, turned upside down. The trees, they sway gently, leaves brushing each other like a soft lullaby. Teeny petals hold the rain like secrets, whispered only to the wind. The sun peeks through, golden, warm, its light dancing on every drop left behind. Birds slowly return to song as if nature is remembering her melody. No rush, no chaos, just stillness. The kind that makes you want to close your eyes and just feel. You take a step and the earth feels softer. Every footstep, a gentle kiss on the wet ground. There's beauty in this pause, in this moment between storm and sunshine. It's a reminder that peace always follows the storm, and even the clouds know when to rest. When the rain stops, the world breathes, and if you're quiet enough, you can hear it. This is nature after rain, soft, serene, soulful, and for a moment, everything feels just perfect. That's all for today. If you all enjoyed watching this aesthetic weather, then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.